Excuse me. Right when I was getting ready to talk, I had to something in my throat. Excuse me. Yeah. Um, okay. First thing, you only have to do this one time. Go into your calculator and press second and then 0 to go into the catalog. And then you push this button that says x to -1. That'll very quickly take you down to the D's. Sorry. Then you go down to diagnostic on and press enter on it, and then press enter again. Again, it'll say done, but again, this is only have to one time unless your batteries go dead. Now I need to put these numbers into my calculator, so I'm going to press my stat button, enter on edit. Now if you have numbers here, you probably don't, but if you have numbers there, press delete over and over. And here I'm going to put my x values. Now I want to put them in L1. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm pressing enter after each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over on this side, I'm going to put these numbers. So 293, enter. 333, enter. 346, enter. 360, enter. 382, enter. 401, enter. Okay, then I'll exit out, second mode. Now, you only have to do this one time. If you press your mode button and keep doing the down arrow over and over until you go to page 2. If you have a page 2. I don't have a page 2. But if you have a page 2, somewhere on there you'll see something about stat wizards. And down arrow to that line. And then press your right arrow. You want to shut off your stat wizards. So you want to highlight either the one that says, it probably says off, if I had to guess, or no, or something like that. But you want to select the off, press enter on it, and that'll shut off your stat wizards. And then your calculator will look like mine, if you got a newer one. Okay. First instruction says use a graphing calculator to fit a regression line to the data. Specifically, they want you to come up with y equals mx plus b. If you press your stat button right here, right arrow to calc, and then you want to choose number 4. So you can down arrow to it and press enter on it, and then you press enter again. Now the A and B that you see right here is what you'll plug in. A is your slope. So where the M is here, hundredths. That'd be 20.03. And the B is our y-intercept, which is the B here. That's 302.43 to 2 decimal places. Okay. Now it says the average monthly cost of workers for family health insurance in 2021 is expected to be. Well, we need to plug X into this equation here. And I need to write down that equation, because it's about ready to go away. Let me see. Y equals 20 what did I say? 03 x plus 302.43. Okay. Now notice they have the years here. And if I take the year like 2014 and I subtract 2009, 2014 minus 2009 is 5. And 5 is what our x is. So when they're asking about 2021, we want to take 2021 and subtract 2009. Which gives us 12, which means x is 12. Now this equation from A, we now want to plug 12 in for x. And I wrote it down, and it's 20.03 x. Now I'm going to take that times 12 because that's what our x is, plus 302.43. And let's see, round to the nearest cent. So cent is 2 decimal places, so it'll be 542.79. Now they say compare the above with this. I think you need to mark this probably is like greater than or less than. Like I said, oh, that's an image. What am I doing clicking it? Now here it's asking for the correlation coefficient. If I go back to Stat, Calc, and choose number 4, you can press 4 to quickly choose it and press Enter. The R is your correlation coefficient. And usually they want it to 4 decimal places. Not this one, though. That's 1,000. That's 3 decimal places. So 0.985. Okay. Does the regression line fit the data closely? And then you answer the question there. By the way, the closer it is to positive 1, the more perfect the positive correlation is. The closer is negative 1, the more perfect the negative correlation is. Positive means your graph goes up from left to right. Negative means it goes down from left to right. But that's how you'd work that particular problem.